Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another baby unboxing box. You guys, family just keeps sending Brooklyn so many things. She's truly blessed to have so many people who actually care and want to send her something. So with all other ado, let me hush my mouth and let's get into this video. Tomorrow is November 30th and I will be officially 38 weeks pregnant. Holy crap, at that point I have exactly 1 week and 2 days until we will be meeting her. So with all other ado, let's get into this cute little box. So my husband's family in Florida has already sent us 3 boxes, and then they sent us another box, and we were like, holy crap, like, y'all need to chill. So the first thing that we got are some cute little socks. They are a 4 pair of socks, super cute, and these are for 3 to 9 months. And then they bought us this cute little thing. So she has like 1,050,000 bows, and then her socks match these. These are so cute. Super cute for like a photo or anything to that nature. And this one is 0 to 6 months. And then we have another outfit, and this is 0 to 3 months. It's just a cute little pink with a bunch of hearts on it. So I have more baby clothes to wash, and I'm like, I thought I was done with the last box. No, girl, you are not done. So, like I said, we need to get everything ready as possible before she comes, because I know when she comes, I'm not going to have time or the energy to be doing anything. So she has these cute little pants, and I love the bottom of them because they're like cute little cat faces. And then on the back they're just all gray. And then she has a matching shirt, I think. No. And then she has a snot rag that just says perfect, like a cat. So super cute. Alright, and then these are a pack of 3 bibs and 2 booties, and they are for 0 to 6 months. Super cute. So we have a bunny on the front. Then we have like a floral pattern. And then on the bottom it just says love, love, love. And it's pink with white writing. Super cute. Then we have a pair of just like little blue jean legging type material. So she's got a pair of little pants. And these are 0 to 3 months and just plain on the back as well. Alright, so we actually have a full outfit. So these little pants go with this unicorn onesie. And this is 0 to 3 months as well. And it just has unicorns, and then it just says hello with little rainbows and shooting stars. And then this is her jacket that goes with it, and it just has 2 unicorns as well. Super cute. Alright, and then the last thing in this bag is this super cute onesie, and it's 0 to 3 months as well. And it's more like a PJs, and then off to the side it just has a little elephant. And then on the back it's just plain. So super cute little onesie that she can wear while she's sleeping. So yeah, you guys, that is everything so far. I hope this is the last little bit of stuff that we received, because she has so much stuff that I don't even think she's gonna wear half of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing baby stuff with me. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful, stay true to yourself, and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys.